Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp data from old phone to new phone, including chats, photos and videos. If you have purchased a new phone and want to transfer all your WhatsApp data from old phone to new phone, you can easily do that and none of your chats, photos or videos will be deleted. So watch this video till end and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, to transfer all your WhatsApp data from old phone to new phone, first of all you have to open Play Store and update your WhatsApp in old phone. Then open it, then click on these three dots, then click on settings and go to chat, and on this page you will see one option called chat backup. Click on it and then click on Google account and select your Gmail ID. Once you select Gmail ID, then click on this backup button and backup process will start. My backup size is 49 MB. Your backup size can be smaller or longer than this. It may be 1 GB or 2 GB. So it will take some time. You have to wait. Once backup process is complete, now you have to log in this Gmail ID into your new phone. Go to your new phone and open Gmail and go to right top corner and click on this profile picture. Then click on add another account. If there is no Gmail ID login in your new phone, you will see this interface. Here you have to click on Google. And in this box you have to type that Gmail ID, your backup Gmail ID, right? Then click on next. And in this box you have to type password. Once you type password, then click on next. Then click on agree. And you will successfully log in that backup Gmail ID into your new phone. As you can see, both are same Gmail ID. Then you have to open Play Store in your new phone and install WhatsApp. Once you install WhatsApp, then open it. And on this page, select English and click on arrow key and then click on agree and continue button. On this page, first of all, you have to select your country, then type your phone number. Once you type your phone number, then click on next. Click on yes and you will receive 6-digit verification code on your old phone. Just type that code here. Once verification is complete, just click on continue, then click on allow, again click on allow, and this page will open. This page is very important. On this page, don't click on skip even by mistake, otherwise WhatsApp data from old phone will not be transferred to the new phone. Here you have to click on restore and restoration process will start. It will take some time, so you have to wait. Once it is done, click on next, click on next, and you can see all WhatsApp chat from old phone has been transferred to the new phone. And from old phone, WhatsApp has been logged out automatically, as you can see. So let me open some chat and show you. As you can see, all chats, photos and videos has been restored to the new WhatsApp. And this restoration process will take some time. Let it complete and rest of photos and videos will be restored to the new WhatsApp. So this is how you can transfer all your WhatsApp data from old phone to new phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.